ego-lite gives every AI agent its own browser space, 10 parallel tasks, your real logins, and your tabs stay yours, free and open source. Because right now, letting Claude Code or Codex touch the web means either a separate automation browser where nothing is logged in, or watching an agent hijack your actual tabs while you're trying to work. A 3-month-old project from Citro Labs says that's a solved problem, and 4,500 GitHub stars suggest people agree. Here's the official demo, and watch what's actually happening. The agent gets a task, opens its own space, a fully isolated workspace inside the same browser, reads a snapshot of the page, acts on it, and reports back. The human's tabs never move. The mouse stays where it was left. That's the entire pitch in one clip. You browse up front, your agents work in the background, and nobody fights over the keyboard. And because the space is real browser context, not a headless sandbox. Everything the agent touches has your cookies, your extensions, your session state already in place. This is what browser automation looks like when the browser was designed for it instead of retrofitted. This is the live site at lite.ego.app. The framing is sharp. Existing tools like Browser Use and Vercel's Agent Browser are automation frameworks that need a separate browser to drive. Logins never carry cleanly, and you end up re-authenticating through CAPTCHAs and 2FA walls inside a robot browser. ego-lite flips it, one Chromium build designed from the start to be shared, where the agent reaches your real logged-in sessions through a skill called Ego Browser. Stick around, because the benchmark number at the end is the part that stings if you're using the alternatives. The project comes from Citro Labs, a Singapore outfit whose whole tagline is the future of personal computing. Small org, 3 public repos, but the execution pace tells the story. First commit April 16th this year, daily pushes since, a shipped macOS app for Apple Silicon and Intel, and a trending badge on GitHub. This is their flagship bet, and it's fully MIT licensed. Boil the value down to 3 frictions it deletes. First, login friction. A one-click Chrome migration carries your logins, cookies, extensions, and bookmarks, so agents work inside sessions that already exist. No CAPTCHAs, no 2FA loops, no SSO redirects into the void. Anyone who has watched an automation script die on a login wall knows that's half the battle. Second, tab fighting. Agents can't steal your window, ever, because spaces are isolated by design. Third, setup, there is none. Zero cost, zero config, and your browsing data stays on your device. The app doesn't upload history, cookies, passwords, or page content. The docs and roadmap live at lite.ego.app, and it's worth a scroll from your phone. The honest caveats are right there. It's macOS only today, with Windows and Linux on the public roadmap, and the experience accumulation feature, where successful actions get distilled into reusable skills for up to 5x faster repeat tasks, is still marked coming soon. But the supported agent list is already wide. Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, Kiro, OpenClaw, Gemini CLI, Continue, or any custom CLI you've built. 6 pieces make up the stack. Spaces give every agent an isolated parallel workspace. The snapshot engine is kernel-level Chromium customization, producing the page view models actually read. And it handles the nightmare cases, deeply nested cross-origin iframes, Shadow DOM, Stripe and Salesforce widgets, React portals, exactly where other snapshot approaches break. The Ego Browser skill is the connection layer for any agent CLI. Chrome migration seeds your logins. Everything stays local, and the whole thing is free under MIT. The snapshot piece deserves the emphasis, by the way. Every browser agent lives or dies by how well the model can read the page. And frame-heavy enterprise pages are exactly where competing tools quietly fail. The traction numbers, 3.5 months in, 4,558 GitHub stars, and climbing on the trending charts. 8+ agent CLIs supported out of the box. And the headline benchmark, complex tasks executing up to 3.45 times faster than the incumbent approach on fewer tokens, because compressed semantic snapshots are dramatically cheaper for a model to read than raw HTML. Stack it against Browser Use, the category's biggest name. Browser Use is a Python automation framework. Powerful, but it drives a separate browser. Logins have to be reestablished, and there's no concept of you and the agent sharing the machine. ego-lite's answer is structural, parallel multitasking in spaces, your real login state everywhere, reusable skills, and it works with the agent you already use rather than shipping a built-in one. Different philosophy, not a framework you program, a browser you share. The same contrast holds against the AI browser wave. ChatGPT Atlas and Perplexity Comet bundle their own assistant into the browsing experience. while ego-lite stays agnostic and lets whatever CLI you already pay for do the driving. The README has the line that captures the bet. Ego-lite is one browser designed from the start for the two of you to share, no extra setup, and the agent can always reach your real logins and tabs, the two of you. That's the reframe. Your agent isn't a script you run against a browser, it's a second user of the same one. Whether that model wins is an open question, but it's a genuinely different answer than anyone else is shipping. Setup is genuinely one command. Run npx skills add citralabs/ego-lite, and the ego browser skill lands in every agent skills directory on your machine. Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, all of them at once. Then, inside your agent, type /ego browser followed by a plain language task. The agent opens its own space, snapshots the page, writes a JavaScript snippet calling the browser tools, fill, click, wait, navigate, capture, and runs the whole multi-step task in one pass. That code-first design is why it's fast. No call a command, stare at output, call another command loop. And the number I teased at the start. On complex browser tasks, ego-lite's code-based approach finishes up to 3.45 times faster than Vercel's agent browser, and up to 2.5 times faster than conventional command-line style automation, with higher success rates and far fewer tool calls per task. The reason is architectural. The agent composes an entire workflow as one JavaScript snippet instead of ping-ponging with the browser one command at a time. Fewer round trips, fewer tokens, less waiting. The repo card, for the record, citralabs/ego-lite, JavaScript, MIT license, 4,558 stars, 225 forks, and an issues board that's actively triaged. The skill layer is open in the repo under skills/ego browser, so you can read exactly what your agent can and can't do before you install anything, which, for a tool you're handing your logged-in browser to, is precisely the audit you should want to do. That's ego-lite, your browser, your logins, your agents, finally in the same place without stepping on each other. Grab it at citralabs/ego-lite, and subscribe to Prism Labs for more agent tooling deep dives.